Hey everybody, it's Krista Robin, and I'm back again to talk to a special guest today. Her name is Monique, and her handle is CurlyGirly143. I love you too, girl. And we're going to talk about her experience today with the 4X laser. Now, this is our best-selling product, and I just want to remind you that this color is an old color. This is not the color that is currently sold on our website. This is my personal device that I've had for a while. My new device is on its way in the mail, so next time you see me, I will not have this one in my hand. So hi there, Journey Angels. Thank you for joining us. Fatima's here again. She's been waiting for me to come back. She's here every time I do a video, which is great. Thanks for the support, Fatima. I always appreciate it when I see your name pop up. So anyway, let me just tell you a little bit about the device first. It is FDA cleared. It is the only at-home diode laser that you can use at home to rid unwanted hair with a laser. Let's just make sure that you know this is a laser machine. So this is the advanced technology that is used also in dermatologist's office. It's the same technology. And we have I saw Curly Girly joined. She's here, so I'm going to hand it over to her in just a second. So how this works, a lot of people ask, how does it work? It permanently disables the hair follicle. So as you do treatments, you'll start seeing the hair grow back less and less, and eventually no more hair. What kind of amazing life is that? So that is the kind of progress that I'm going through right now. I'm doing my bikini line for the summertime, and I am starting to see diminished hair. It's not growing back as fast, and it's really exciting when you start to see that and you don't have to shave as much. Shaving is the worst. Like, I hate getting in the shower and spending that extra whatever 5, sometimes 10 minutes shaving. It just bugs me. So I'm sure you ladies and gents out there also feel my pain. Okay, so I'm gonna let her come on. Let's see if we can get her patched in here. Let's see that beautiful hair that she's got. You can't wait for you to see her. Hi! Oh my gosh, you're outside.
Yeah, I figured I'd sit outside. It's beautiful here today.
Oh
If it
wow.
gets too noisy, though, let me know.
No, it's actually great. Where are you located?
In Ohio.
Oh my gosh,
Cincinnati.
wow.
Hence the time zone mess up.
Exactly. It's okay. We had a little time zone mix up earlier. It's okay. Sorry to her followers that thought she was going to be on 3 hours earlier today. So yeah, I was like Pacific time, 1
Yeah.
o'clock. It's okay. It's okay. I have a little countdown timer that I put in our stories where
hmm
people can actually subscribe to it or click on it, and then they can get reminders when we're on. So that's great. I love that new feature.
Yeah. It is very helpful.
It's really helpful. I
Um,
was going to tell you, first of all, love your hair. I've always
Thank
been a fan
you.
of your hair. We can talk about that a little bit later if anybody has questions about what she uses. Um, but how are you dealing with your hair during quarantine? Are you dyeing it yourself, or how are you doing it?
Yeah. Yeah, I've always dyed my hair
Mhm.
myself. I use Cream of Nature box color in vivid red.
Oh,
So
nice.
right before all this madness happened, I had actually run out of boxes, so I went and stocked up. So I have like 8 boxes. So I have them in the drawer, and I'm like, I haven't even dyed it since quarantine. I won't even show you the roots, but because I'm like, before nobody's gonna see me. But I
No,
probably won't do it next week because after a while, I'm tired of looking at the roots.
it looks really good.
Thank
So
you.
we're talking about hair we do want, which is on our head, but the hair we don't want is this stuff here. For most of us at least. So anyway, I wanted to talk to you about your experience with the laser. I know you've got one of these bad boys at home. So how did you initially find out about, you got the green one. How did you
Yeah.
initially find out about Tria? How did you find out about the brand and the products?
So I used to work at Nordstrom many years ago, and I was the counter manager for the advanced technological skincare. So
Yes.
when Tria first came out, Nordstrom got it, and it came under advanced technology. So it came under my realm, and so we had an account executive come in and show us the ropes.
Mhm.
And she tried it on like one little patch on my leg, and that hair never grew back. It was one application, and I was like, this thing really works.
Oh my gosh,
So I
that one
always
little
said,
spot.
one day, yeah, one little spot, and there's still no hair there to this
Oh,
day. Well, maybe now a little bit, but it was like this one little patch, and I was like, okay, one day I'm gonna get one. And actually, a few years later, I asked my husband for one for our anniversary.
that is hilarious.
I had to
Happy
work my way up
anniversary,
to that
honey. No more hair.
one. Exactly.
Actually, that's a great idea. It's like I don't want jewelry. I want beauty tools. I want lasers and things that do stuff to my face.
Yes. Facials, the whole nine.
Exactly. This is what women really want. Okay, guys,
Exactly.
take note. Take note.
Right. And I'm an esthetician, and I still want facials. I still want to get them done.
I know, me too. I just like the being pampered. That's like my
Yeah.
whole thing. I just want to lay back and just let someone do my face, even though I can probably do it at home.
Exactly.
Yeah, so you worked at Nordstrom. So that's great. You had a lot of experience selling it, experiencing it with other customers, hearing their experiences. So my next question was, how long did it take to see results? Well, that you saw results that one day. But
Yeah.
so I remember seeing the video on your story. It was a couple months back, and it was a picture of your legs, and it looked like there wasn't any hair growing back. There was like little patches,
Yeah.
but it looked like there was like no hair for most of the leg. And I was a little
Mhm.
jealous.
Right, right.
Yeah,
We all want like immediate results,
right.
and I think after the first two, because I tried to do it every 2 weeks. That my reminder. So the first two tries, I didn't see much result, but after the third, that was probably when you saw my stories. Like a week later, I saw no hair on my leg. I'm like, really? That I thought, like initially I thought it would happen faster, but then when it happened, I was like, wow, it happened so fast.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, everyone's different.
Yeah,
So for me, I
even
think
now.
I'm on my second month so far. So I'm going to be on my fifth treatment coming up. But I've heard people say third treatment, no hair grew back. I was like, what? And then you're saying third treatment, you already saw smooth legs, no hair. It was like, whoa. So it's different for everyone. A lot of people do ask, how long does it take? It can take up to 6 months.
Yeah. I do notice, like, I did my armpits and my legs. The armpits are taking a little longer to see a result. I find after the fourth treatment, I saw a slowed down growth. I still have growth, but it's slowed down. So I think each area of the body is different too.
You too.
Um, I have hair on my legs, and it is visible, but I think it's thinner than under my arm. So I think
Yeah.
that's why I saw a result. So now it's patchy, and being outside, I can see the areas that still have it and the areas that have absolutely no hair. So,
Mhm.
and today is actually would be my fifth application, I believe. So I'm thinking after today, I may not see any more on the legs, especially
That,
if I do it outside in the light where I can see.
yeah, that's really exciting. I can't wait to see your final results after your treatment's done. I can't wait to see no hair on my bikini line for the summertime.
Yeah.
That's like my goal.
Yeah.
And it just seems too good to be true. I'm just like, is this real? Is this really happening? I don't have to ever shave that part
Yeah.
again.
Yes.
So cool.
Yes. That's the next one I'm targeting.
And what level did you use? Did you use level 5 when you were doing your treatments, or did you have to work your way up to 5, or not 5 at all?
I did not 5 at all. I think that's probably why maybe it took me a little longer. I can't do 5. I started on 3 the first time, and I had some tears in my eyes because it does have a little pinch,
There's a
and
little
so I
stick.
went down to 2. I have no tolerance for pain, not even a little. So I went down to 2, and for like my second, third, and fourth, my second and third I did at 2, and then I said, okay, I think I can do this now, and I went up to 4. I'm sorry, 3 on my fourth
Yes,
time.
yes.
So I have not done 4 and 5 because I'm a chicken.
Okay,
But
I totally understand. But what's
if I can get
cool
these
is that
results,
what I'm excited about is that you've got results without even going to level 4.
right?
So that to me is really good information for people that think this is going to be too much for me to handle. I can't do it. They think level 5 means what they have to get to. It's like you can still get results on level 3. You just have to maybe work a little more on those areas. But you definitely don't have to go all the way to the top. I'm not able to as well. I'm at level 4 and I'm just like, okay, I can do this. And
I do find in different areas you don't have any pain at all. And then that one little spot, that's when you feel a little.
There's like one little spot where I'm like, okay,
yeah.
I felt that. But it's nothing, you know, it's nothing scary, I promise.
No, not at all. If I can do it, you can do it.
This is our new soothing gel. I don't know if you've seen this. This is the Phytograph soothing gel. This is actually a great pre-treatment before you use the laser. So it actually makes that little zap a little less crazy. So yeah, so this is new. It's a huge bottle. I mean, my head's pretty big, so so you can imagine that this, you know, this bottle is over 5 ounces, and this will probably do your whole body twice at least. I mean, it's really good stuff. I recommend if you're going to get the laser to get it together with the gel for sure. It really, really helps. Trust me. Did you do anything while you were treating? Did you use any special skincare or anything afterwards?
I didn't. I just made sure, like they said, shave first and make sure there's no gels or oils or anything on it. So that's it. I just put it on. What, you know, is once you feel the zap, the pain is gone. It is not a lingering pain. So I didn't feel like afterwards I needed anything, you know, to kind of dull anything, because once it's over, it's over.
It's over.
So I haven't tried anything.
Yeah, you don't. Yeah, you really don't. But what I actually like to do is use this to moisturize afterwards too. So I'll put it on before, and then I'll put a little bit, like a little dot afterwards, and it has like that aloe, that soothing feeling. So, and it feels really moisturizing. My legs feel like a baby, like they're just beautiful. So that's why I like to use that. And I have a video also about sun care tips in the summertime, because there are some important things you need to do in the summertime when you're doing this, which is to make sure that you're not exfoliating afterwards for at least like 5 days.
Okay.
Because you don't want to because your pores open when you use the laser.
Okay.
You don't want to exfoliate and get any kind of debris inside your pores. So that's an important tip. And just to make sure to not go into the sun. I know you're in the sun right now.
No, I get over. Well, I did my mustache the first 2 weeks, and then I haven't done it yet. So I think we're good.
Yeah. So if you go into the sun, don't use the laser for at least 2 days. Just don't go in the sun for 2 days, and then you can use your laser, because you don't want that extra sensitivity. And it can also, if you have a sunburn and then you use this, it can actually cause scarring, which I was like, no, I don't need that.
Yeah.
So those are some good tips for summer. And I just wanted to thank you again for being such a great supporter of Tria. You're always posting great stuff.
Oh, my pleasure.
Keep us updated on your results. I want to see those legs, those nice smooth legs when you're done. You're almost there. I mean, I could see that like a while ago. You look like you were almost done. So
yeah. As a matter of fact, when I'm inside, I'm like, I don't have any hair. I don't have to keep doing it. But I do. When I come outside, that's when I see it, and I'm like, okay, I think I'm going to do it again today. I actually brought my razor, my Tria. And I'm going to finish off, because there's like little patchy areas that I see. And this is like 2 weeks. So I think that I'm just about there. A couple more treatments and she'll be done.
Yeah. And a couple more tips for people that are watching. Make sure you take a shower, clean the areas that you're going to treat really well, and then shave it. Make sure you shave it. And then another great tip is to take an alcohol wipe and wipe this window down. Because believe it or not, if any residue gets on it, the laser won't penetrate. So it's a good tip to know. Wash this.
Yeah.
keep it clean.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, well, Monique, thank you so much for joining me. This has been exciting, and these videos are going to go up on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, so you're going to be everywhere. Hopefully you'll get some more followers.
That'd be great. I look for, and I'll be making a YouTube video on my
Oh, nice.
journey. hmm
That's
So I'll be
awesome.
putting that up pretty soon. As soon as I'm kind of, I wanted to make sure I never like posting anything that I am not 100% behind. So
Right.
I wanted to wait the duration, and now that I see the proof is real, I said I'll finalize my YouTube video pretty soon.
That's so great. I can't wait to see it. And definitely, as soon as you post that, I'm going to be blasting that out to everyone.
Thank you. Look forward to it.
I can't wait. Well, thank you so much, and I'll be talking to you soon.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
All right. Enjoy the sun.
All right, thank you.
Bye.
Love you.
Yes. Her screen name Curly Girl 143. It reminds me of when I had a pager and I had to text the 143 to tell people I love them. That's way back in the day. You guys don't remember. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me today. Again, for the summer, this is your best friend. It's going to remove all the unwanted hair permanently from the areas that you don't want hair from anymore. It's for men and women. And I will see you guys soon. Next week, we will have more guests. We will be doing more of these videos. And if there's a video of something that you want me to talk about, or there's a subject that you would like me to discuss, please send me a DM and I will do my best to make a video on it and answer your questions. So thank you so much. I will see you guys really soon. Have a beautiful weekend. Bye.